This is how you fit all this gear into this Xplr modular duffel.
What's up, guys? So things have been a little bit quiet on here since Tankwa Trek. I've been super busy with film shoots, photo shoots. I launched my Xplr modular duffel. What this bag does, it lets you have control of all your gear with packing cubes. Easy to pack, it's hangable, easy to store. It's just an all-round awesome travel bag for guys who live on the move like we do. So I designed the Xplr duffel for easy packing, ease of use, all your gear is visible, you always know where your equipment is. It also flat packs, it fits into another duffel bag, it fits into roller bags. It's made life so much easier for traveling and packing and always having a system in place. For more info, check out Xplr Gear. I've tagged the Instagram account below in the caption. Let me show you how I packed the Xplr modular duffel for Tankwa Trek that we rode in February.
This is my new Xplr modular duffel that we'll be launching in March. So by the time you see this video, the bag will be available on xplrgear.co.za. So what I'm going to do now is show you guys how I packed this bag for Tankwa Trek, which is a 4-day, multi-day stage race. So when you open up the bag is fitted with all these very cool cubes that make packing easy and all your gear visible while you're in a campsite or in accommodation, and just takes out the hassle of packing and trying to find your gear. 5 of the pouches on Velcro, so you can take your stage 3, go to the bathrooms and change, come back and put your pouch back in. Let me show you how it packs and what all is inside. So here's the Xplr modular duffel. As you can see, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pouches, of which 5 are modular and stuck on Velcro. This allows you to see if there's something missing, and also if you need to go to the bathrooms to change, you can take a toiletry bag and whatever stage you're racing. So let's unpack it from the top and I'll show you what I have in here for the 4 days of stage racing. So all the zips are YKK, super easy to use. This is the top pouch. So in here I have 1, 2, 3, 4 t-shirts, including a long sleeve top in there. I've got a wind jacket. In the top internal pouch, I've got a pair of glasses, lip balm, chamois cream, and sunblock, 2 sets of gloves. Stage 1, each pouch is pretty much all the same. I've got an underlayer top, my cycling jersey, a pair of socks, arm sleeves, a pair of bibs, and my cycling baggies. In the second pouch, once again an underlayer, socks, cycling top, bibs, and a pair of baggies. Cycling bibs are folded up into itself, so it's nice and small and compact. Stage 3, once again, all the same, arm sleeves, socks, bibs, underlayer top, cycling jersey, and then we're using one of the other day's pairs of baggies. Toiletry bag, there is a lot of stuff crammed into this little toiletry bag. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff in here. Everything you need, including a repair gel from Magic, shaving cream, more sunblock, shampoo, gel, toothpicks, and nasal spray. Then I've got an underwear pouch. In here, I'm keeping this super simple. 2 pairs of socks, 2 pairs of jocks. Most of the weekend, we do wear slops and don't wear shoes. In the bottom pouch, this is my outerwear pouch. Pair of shorts, hoodie, pair of long pants, and a puffy jacket. So that is everything that fits into this bag. Super small, compact, light, easy to use, good all-round bag. So that's how you fit all of this gear into the Xplr modular duffel. If there are any questions, check the link out below or visit xplrgear.co.za. Thanks for watching.